My name is Brian. And I'm here to tell you about Harry Potter Lego you've got to see. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, build your own Harry Potter and Hedwig toy, then cast a spell on your friends with the wand, by Lego. Number 2, build a great piece of Lego Harry Potter merchandise. Featuring Hogwarts Great Hall with house banners, tower with movable spiral staircase, potions room and treasure room. Includes 10 minifigures, Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Draco Malfoy, and more. Another great product by Lego. Number 3. Get your Harry Potter Lego now. Click this link below for more. Number 4, build Grindelwald's Escape from Fantastic Beasts, The Crimes of Grindelwald, featuring a carriage with opening doors and a removable roof. 132 pieces building set, for boys and girls, ages between the ages of 7 and 4. Number 5, build a foldable Lego Fantastic Beasts replica of Newt's Case of Magical Creatures, with a ladder, nest, shelter and Okami egg. 694 pieces fantasy role-playing construction toy, for boys and girls between the ages of 8 and 4. Number 6, build a Lego Hogwarts Express train set, with removable side panel and roof, plus railway bridge and platform 9 3/4. 801 pieces building set for boys and girls between the ages of 8 and 14. Number 7, build Aragog's lair in the Forbidden Forest, from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, including a buildable Aragog spider and a tree with spider web shooting function. Includes 2 minifigures, a Harry Potter figure, and a Ron Weasley figure. Number 8, bring Wizarding World fun to any Lego set with the Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts minifigures collection. Number 9. Number 10,